Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur, session Oxidation of alkene in camenophore. Students, today now we discuss reductions of alkenes with camenophores. So camenophore is a strong oxidizing agent, and alkene undergoes oxidation reactions with camenophore solutions under two conditions. It is a mild oxidation condition using called dilute alkaline camenophore is a Beer's test, and various oxidation condition using hot acidification is a camenophore. So students, the reactions of alkenes with cold dilute alkalines in camenophores to the purple colors of camenophore solution and disappears, and cloudly brown colors appears caused by the precipitations of the magnesium oxides and magnesium oxides MnO2. So the test of the carbon-carbon double bond and triple bonds and diols is the formula containing two hydroxyl groups on adjacent carbon atoms. So reaction with a hot and acidification camenophore. By using the hot acidified camenophore, the diol obtained is oxidizing further. So the cleavage of carbon-carbon bonds occurs, and the final product are ketones and carboxylic acids. So 2-methyl propane react with camenophore in the hydrolysis acidification process, convert to the propanone ketones plus CO2 plus H2O. This is examples are given below. Reactions of alkanes with hot acidified camenophore. In these examples, an alkene react with a molecular formula C6H2 is oxidizing with a hot camenophore solution. So the carboxylic acid are butanoic acid CH3CH2 CH2COOH, and ethanoic acid are CH3COOH are produced. So identical structural formula of alkenes. So students, the explain is examples. Cleavage of double bonds gives a mixture of the carboxylic acid. So RCH double bond CHR dash react with camenophore in the presence of acidification, convert to the RCOH double bond CO plus C double bonded OH R dash. So the location of the double bonded is done by taking the away the oxidation atoms from the carboxylic acid and then joining to the carbon atom by the double bonded. So the carboxylic acid react with different types of carboxylic acid, convert to RCH double bond CH R dash. So butanoic acid react with ethanoic acid, convert to two hexanes compounds. So important oxidizing reagent of camenophore, and alkene react with a convert to the diols compounds, 1,2-diol compound in the presence of acidification of camenophore. So oxidations of alkene convert to the product of diols, the major properties of camenophore compounds. Okay, thank you.